Church2 here, back in the video. This is riding out the backwoods. Right there's what Nova's Land in the last video, and we're just gonna go a little bit cruising. We might, cruise around a little bit more later today. But this is gonna be part one. I'm gonna start a new series of riding. I'm gonna call it Back Road Riding, and then like during the video, I'm gonna have a bunch of different areas. I'm gonna ride like back through that way, up on that way, back that way, and up this way, like the same place. But I'll show you guys some of the roads. See, now right here is where I'm going. Well, I'm not going anywhere today. I'm just gonna do a little cruise today. But right here is the road we'll be exploring down later. A big old berm. Right there's another. This is another place we'll be exploring. And so right now we're just gonna cruise around, see if we can get our eyes on deer, and just cruise around. Basically, like I said 500 times. Same place as the last video. It's just a little bit of riding. I'll do some commentary. And we now have a new channel called C&E Gaming, which will be uploading a video of Minecraft pretty soon. I mean, might be some Call of Duty and everything videos, and a bunch of different stuff. This turn right here, I call it the wrecker, because if you come around here too fast, you'll fly around. From either side, you either hit that bank or that bank back there. Because my buddy Owen, in the first ride video I ever made, he came right here on that new buddy we were riding in, and I was with him, and we rolled it right there, and it landed on his hand, and I had to pick it up off of it, pretty much. But this video may be on some of the longer side, not really, it might, but there's a bunch of crows down there, and riding one-handed, snowplow in the front. There's my neighbor's house. So I'm going to do this in every video. There's my neighbor's house. There's my other neighbor's house. Same thing. It's always warm right here. And not just that the sun shines on it. It's just always warm. Down there's something we're walking into. And right here is a trail we'll be riding up. It goes way back up in there. Has came up a lot since its first video. I mean, it's been a long road, and as you can see from earlier today, I tried to back out of a ditch. I pulled in too far. Let's try to do this without going into a ditch. Ain't really that bad, but it's still in four-wheel. I gotta put it in two-wheel drive. Hold on, guys. Ah, crap. Hold on, I'll put you guys right here. I'll put you guys right here, and then I'll go. There we go, now she's in the wheel. And I'm gonna stop right here. Okay, guys, we're up here on the back road. There's my trash trailer. They're pretty deep. I pulled the front end in the ditch and hit this, and we plowed in. Getting back out in two-wheel, I had to put it in four. There's four-wheel too. I'm more capacious. Nobody has potholes. There's an old hunting camp. Got the big old buck stay down in that holler. Pretty good cleanup. I'm not gonna go up there, just right up there's the back road. The light's right up there. I'm gonna turn around right here and start the floor up. You guys right there. Okay, so put it first. You guys right here. You're probably facing the mirror. Back her up, back her up. Now we're going. somebody's house. It's not really nothing. There's no person's house. There's a basketball in the bank. There's your brush pile. Alright, man. 10 inches. And one day I might even walk up on there to see what it is. I've never been up there. There's no boat. It's about from my house is a mile to this oak tree right here. Big old straggler with a branch hanging out of it. There's a tree. It's bigger as you go down. Here's the tractor. There's the old dead oak branch. It's been there since last summer. Someone cut it up. Crap. I have a deer standing on that hill. And a deer stand on that hill, and a deer stand in this holler. There's the holler I have my deer stand in, but it just worked through there. There's the better view of the creek. I'm not sure that you guys can see it. Here's the place. I might go down in there today sometime. It's a little bit too muddy though, deer on the other side. The back of there it goes all clear up on top of that hill, and it gets real muddy. It's like mud season right now, so it's kind of hard to get up that hill. I'm going to go slow because it's cold. Well, I went 30. That isn't too bad. It says it goes 40. It says it goes 60, but I've only ever had it up to 45. As always, guys, church out to here, and like, subscribe, peace.